mix. Here are the ingredients: eggs, applesauce, water, cake mix, sprinkles, and we have frosting. So the reason why we're using applesauce instead of oil is because it's healthier and easier to bake with. So let's get started. Let me just move this out of the way, guys. There. So you want to separate the yolk and the egg somewhere like this. So you want to go like this. What you want to do is like open it to where most of the yolk like come out like this. So if you go like this, guys. You go like this. Should separate like this. And then now we put the egg part inside. Now we repeat this process again. So we go like this. Don't worry, guys. So all you want to do is like grab the yolk like this. Grab the yolk. So now we want to grab the other egg and repeat this process, but instead you want to like okay, do it like that, and then I'm going to just get the shells and put it like that. Then I'm going to just get the yolk. Okay guys, so now what we want to do is get our bowl. So first we're going to put the cake mix in like this. I'm just going to take it out of the bag. This, and then we just gonna put the box there. Just dump it. There. So now, guys, what we want to do is get our eggs. Well, not our eggs, our yolk, the white part of the egg, and pour it in the bowl like this. And then you want to put this here. And then we're gonna put our applesauce like this. And then we're going to put that there. Then our water. Be really careful not to spill, but if you spill, it's okay. Okay, so now we have our water. What you guys want to do now is mix. So you guys can use a hand mixer, I think, or one of these. So here, let me just plug that in real quick, guys. Okay, so now all we're going to do is mix. Don't want to go too hard, because if we do, it's going to go far. So we just need to be really careful. I don't want to splash it everywhere, guys. You need to get everything really nice and mixed. And once you guys have done this about 2 minutes, I'm going to transport to the cupcake pan. You want to be really careful with this so it doesn't spill everywhere. You don't want Mom to find out what happened in the kitchen. Because if she does, you don't want to get in trouble and she's going to be like, what'd you do? You made this mess and made everything. And then like dust goes everywhere. That'll be really funny. All you want to do is just mix this for like 2 minutes and then get this over with. So once you mix this pretty good, the reason why we separate the egg yolk is because if you want a white cake, then don't put the egg yolks in. But if you want a yellow cake, put the eggs in because it's going to turn it yellow. That's why we didn't put it, because we want a white cake. We want a white cupcakes, my bad. Sorry, guys. Okay, so now, guys, we've done this for 2 minutes. You just want to transfer this or unplug it. Unplug it real quick, guys. And then what you want to do is like shake that off. Make sure not to eat this because if you do, you can get really sick, guys, from this. So you want to transfer this to the sink. Then want to put this over here. Thank you. Okay, so now that this is all ready, what we're going to do is get our cupcake pans. And we're going to just like do this. So I'm using these. You can use any ones you guys like. And you want to bake for about golden brown. Or cook for 10 to 18 minutes until golden brown. So once you guys have done this, you guys want to do this. Now you might want to get a parent to help you with this part because it's really hard. So now we're just going to transfer this to the cupcake pan. Want to be really careful. You don't want to get any parts like, okay, there. So I think you want to do like one half, I think, for each one, like this. Also, guys, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And the extras we're going to use is for later on. Okay, guys, you know what my favorite thing about cupcakes is? I feel like they're mini cakes with a lot of frosting. But the only part, I think it's like the best deal because you know how much of it you're eating and like, it's really funny because you can decorate them however you like. And it's easy for kids to decorate. But with cakes, they're kind of harder because like they're huge and a little bit big. So yeah. Like if you go to like a kid's birthday party, he might want this more than cake. But this is also a really fun way to get kids to learn on how to bake. Can you guys drop down in the comments and see what you guys want me to bake next, please? Because that will really help me so that I know what to cook you guys next. So once we do this, we want to transfer it to the oven and bake for 10 to 18 minutes or till golden brown. Now I can't really do it, so I'm going to have my aunt help me because my finger's kind of broken and I can't really bend it when I put it in the oven. So yeah. There. Okay guys, so now I'm going to try to put them in the oven. This might be a little harder for me because I'm only using one hand because of my finger, guys. So I just want to be really careful. Get this. Put it in the oven like that. Okay, that was easier than I thought. Now we wait them out and let's see if they're cooked. I don't know if you can see, but it's clean, guys. Boom. So all we gotta do now, guys, is wait a little bit and then boom. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna decorate our cupcakes. Okay. Okay guys, so now that we got the first one decorated, I'm just going to add like an outer outline like this to fill all the spots here like that. There. Now once you got one like that, what you want to do is get one like this, and now you just want to go in a beautiful circle like this. Like that. Okay, now we do the next one. Like this, guys. Okay, there. And now, guys, what we want to do is get this one done as well. Same way as this one. I want to go like this. Like this, guys. Boom, perfect. Okay, we're going to do the same for this one. Like this. And there. Okay, guys. So now that we have this all done, I'm just going to place this right here. Now I'm just going to get some sprinkles. Like this. A bit too much, guys. So what I think I'm going to do is like open this. Oops. Like this, guys. You want to do it like this. Like this. Like this. What we want to do is like this, guys. Don't want to put too much. Look. Hey. That's a nice looking cupcake, don't you guys agree? Oh, we made a big mess though. Don't worry, we can always clean it up, guys. So, here's the finished product of a cupcake, guys. Here you guys go. This is how it looks. Okay. So now they're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.